let's not pretend we're not a loose cannon ending. And I tried to take it backwards and it wasn't enough. Ooh, I'm not thinking about you. So when I come try you out, like a drink I tasted once, then I sit inside and thinking 'cause it wasn't enough. Ooh, I'm not thinking about you. I'm not thinking about you. And some fires burning, breathing clear the smoke from my lungs. In a static conversation where you don't make a sound, and it's lost all of the meaning 'cause it wasn't enough. Ooh, I'm not thinking about you. Look at me, come try you out. Look at me, come try you out. And it's lost all of the meaning 'cause it wasn't enough. Ooh, I'm not thinking about you.
Memories faded cause evaporation of truth. Ooh, ooh. I was just stating, stay patient, I'll get back to you. We need that closure through contact. If love is a battle, let's have one last combat. Yo, high notes the climax, can sing with your fine ass. Got talents, most brothers probably would finance. Say less when that latex come ringing. Slight X, but that late sex says different. Then the magic happens when we say we can't remember. Better practice be the distance we create from feeling symptoms. Fuck them feelings. I'll be at home, Netflix chilling with myself and grilled chicken cooked to match the way it did me. Bittersweet, I symphony, and now you can't hear me. Not thinking about the past or anything near it.
Come try you out, like a drink I tasted once. Did I sit inside not thinking 'cause it wasn't enough. Ooh, I'm not thinking about you.